Welcome to today's tutorial. We want to look into how to install manager.io desktop edition. You come to manager.io. When you come to manager.io, you type it on the browser. It will take you to this interface. Here you will see free accounting software. This is the interface of manager.io website, and from here you will see free download. This download is for desktop edition. The desktop edition of manager.io is free to download from the website here. When you click compare with cloud edition, there are desktop edition and cloud edition. You can see here. When you click compare with cloud edition, you will see here desktop edition with full featured accounting. It is easy to set up, use on desktop or laptop. So when you click free download, it will take you to this page. That is the download page where you install on your desktop or on your laptop. You can use Windows, Mac, Linux to install it. When you are using Windows, you click free download, or Mac, you just click free download. When you click free download, it will download onto your device, and it is straightforward, and you just follow the on-screen instruction and you download it onto your device. This is frequently asked question about the software. You can take time and read some of it here. So let us go and see the download. So when it is finished download, when you come to your search, you will see manager logo. When you click on the manager logo, it will be open to you the new manager that we just download. So when it open, everything will be clean, where you will see business, user, extension, support, and the rest. Believe that this is a manager desktop edition, and it is expected to work without internet. So once it is downloaded on your desktop or on your laptop, it will take you to this place. Whenever you launch it, the shortcut will be on your desktop. So to add new business, you come to add business here. This is where to remove business. This is where to add business. When you click add business, you will see create new business and import business. Create new business afresh, or you import the business that you already have the backup. If you already have the backup, you click on import, and then you choose the file where you save it on your device, and you click import business. So from there you will import the business. But today we want to look into create new business. When you click create new business, it will take you to where you will input your business name. Let's assume you want to use this name that says that my business name. Let's assume this is what you want to use as your business name. So you click create new business. So when you click create new business, this business will show to you that it has been created. Now, once the business is created like this, if you look at it, everything is empty. There is no chart of account there. So it is expected of you to set the chart of account. Set the chart of account, I want to introduce you to the extension that is already at the top of the page here. Extension, when you click it, It will take you to, when you scroll down, you will see where you will see chart of account builder. Where you will see chart of account builder, this one will take you to where you will use the already chart of account builders for the business. When you click on it, it will take you to chart of account builders. You see welcome. You have to select the business. Remember that we created my business name. It will appear at the list of all your business, and if it is only one business you create, it will appear there. When you pick it and you click the next one, which is the chart of account, here it will take you to the structure where you will pick the structure of your chart of account. If it is simple chart of account, you click simple chart of account and you click build chart of account. If it is detailed chart of account, where you will have subtotals and subgroups, you click detailed chart of account. But in this case, we want to use simple chart of account, that is income and expenses. So having selected that, you click build chart of account. When you click it, you will see it will create income, which includes sales, other income, expenses, which will include all the expenses here. So you just click on the outside of this panel here. When you click the outside, it will take you to the manager interface, where you now click build this business, and you come back to my business name that you have created to see the chart of account that has been created from the chart of account builders. When you come here, you will see that from the chart of account builder, income is now there, expenses is there, and it will give you net profit or loss. Now, this chart of account being created, you will still need some modules that we use to function for this chart of account. Here you come to customize. When you click customize, it will take you to tabs where you will select some modules that are usually needed for your operation. Like we have bank and cash account, we have receipt, we have payment. As you are ticking it, it will be appearing on the left side module of the business. Inter account, you just look at the one that is relevant to your business setup that you are doing. This customer, we have sales invoice, those are the popular ones. Supplier, we have purchase invoice, we have inventory item. So we have them like that. So after doing that, you click update. When you click update, you see all these modules are there for you to use. So from there, you have created a business on the desktop version. This is the desktop edition that you can use. Then I want to also introduce you to the free setup kits. Let me show you the free setup kit that we have already created. It's a starter kit for retail businesses. So it's a working guide. It will give you practical chart of account setup steps and day-to-day workflow. When you read it, you will see everything is there. How to adjust your chart of account, the day-to-day workflow on the retail business. So this one will be available at the description of this video for you to download free. So today's tutorial, this is how to create a chart of account, how to create new business as a desktop edition.